Okay. Let's get your reaction coming in here.
Yeah. See all this?
Oh, you're welcome, bud. You're welcome, T.
He's gonna slip on the banana peel.
Oh, no. Oh, Kane did slip on the banana peel. Guys, you didn't even come over here and see the rest of this.
Like the video. Subscribe.
Yeah, go play while I
Get
go get the
notified.
car. A little store. Food. Yeah, a giant pirate ship playground. The family restaurant. Big ogre guarding, trying to get into the castle. What? Where? Oh my goodness. There's a skeleton. Did you just run around the whole ship? Kane, Tiffany. Kane, Tiffany, come here real quick. Where's T? What does this pool have out back?
Oh my goodness, water
Water slide. Alright, I'm gonna go get the car and all our stuff. Oh yeah! There's a princess up there. Just real quick while we're at the hotel here. Pirate Hotel. This is a close-up of what the ship looks like coming in. Like the guy in the blue. Looks like a Kraken's taking it down. People fighting for treasure. Here we go, Pirate Island Hotel. She said, go into the corridor with the giant parrot. This is the restaurant that breakfast is served at, is in here. So we got pirate theme hallway. We got nice water fountains with the bottles, Lego torches. Yeah, but only one's open. I don't know.
Like the video. Subscribe.
Look at this.
Get notified.
Little butler ready for you. Little smuggler's bar, little pirate area. Little stage with stuff going on in it. Oh look, there's a little kid play area in there. In that little alcove. Look, it's the jail. You can go in jail. Yeah? Almost. Pirate pool says it's closed. When I was walking around.
Daddy, look at the scene.
It's got a little pirate teddy bear. Is that your new friend, T? What? You should put your bunny on his other leg and have two animals. Elevator, there's a wanted Imperial Guards. No guards, no cops allowed. We only like pirates here, me matey. Tiff, look at the girl pirate.
Ooh, she's pretty. I like her.
See, she just did say she's pretty. All right.
What numbers are there?
560.
Look.
So we are this way.
Look at
Ooh, look at the way the doors are set up. We are 560, so we're down this way.
So 560.
Yeah.
Yeah.
560.
560. Whoa.
Oh, wait, no.
That's weird.
Yeah.
We have a door! Yay, yay, yay! We have
That
a
is really
door.
dark and I can't see it, but yeah, there's a girl in the door. All right, let's.
Somebody needs to go in there and hold the door open for Daddy.
Whoa!
Oh,
Look at the monkey right there. All right, let's get this in first.
Thank you for watching.